Bestseller Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our review of Bestseller Dropshipping. Links to the product and additional resources are provided in the description below. Bestseller Dropshipping is a powerful tool designed to help entrepreneurs discover high-quality, trending products for their e-commerce stores. It focuses on finding products with proven sales potential and helping you stay ahead of market trends. Whether you're a new dropshipper or a seasoned pro, Bestseller Dropshipping simplifies the process of sourcing products, optimizing your store, and scaling your business for long-term success. One of the standout features of Bestseller Dropshipping is its product research tool. The platform provides access to a curated list of high-demand products across various niches, which are updated regularly based on real-time market data. It offers detailed information about each product, including sales volume, competition levels, and profit margins, allowing you to make well-informed decisions. This tool helps you identify products that are trending and proven to sell well, taking the guesswork out of sourcing. Another key feature is its integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easier for you to import products directly into your store. Bestseller Dropshipping also provides access to reliable suppliers, ensuring that your orders are fulfilled quickly and efficiently. Additionally, the platform offers automated order processing, which streamlines your workflow and saves you time. Bestseller Dropshipping is made for entrepreneurs who want a simple, data-driven way to find profitable products without spending hours on research. It's especially beneficial for those looking to focus on high-converting products with proven demand and scalability. In terms of strengths, Bestseller Dropshipping offers an easy-to-use platform, in-depth product data, and seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms. However, it does have some limitations, including a subscription-based pricing model that may not be ideal for those on a tight budget and a reliance on the curated product list. In conclusion, Bestseller Dropshipping is an excellent tool for dropshippers looking to discover profitable, trending products and streamline their business operations. While its pricing may not suit everyone, its features and ease of use make it a solid choice for serious entrepreneurs. Be sure to check the description for more information and to get started.